Mark Fishburne. This is about small and medium-sized organizations who kind of know that they are at risk from cyber attacks, but feel they can do little about it. They have no cybersecurity budget, expertise, or resources. It's no wonder that they feel disempowered. Worse, they don't get that they're targets in the global cyber war and think cybersecurity is an IT problem. Well, we have a breakthrough, and that is to empower SMBs by disappearing all 5 of these issues. The first step to cyber safety is a comprehensive methodology of best practices that needs little or no outside spend. Visit cyber.com/SMB, which links to the new article. Next, a free workshop brings the ideas to life. You'll become aware that implementing the actions can prevent the recent catastrophes and how cybersecurity can be a commercial advantage. It's also for managed service providers who have the same issues with their SMB customers. Thirdly, cyber.com's new virtual CISO service is a guided implementation of the best practices recommended for your entire organization. Then it's security on demand, elevating your expertise and awareness and measurably reducing your risk one step at a time. Our purpose is simple. We want every organization to be protected from cyber attacks. Let's get started on protecting yours. Join the workshop on September 19th and sign up at cyber.com/workshop. And thanks for watching.